In this video, I'm going to show you how to show Spotify on Discord activity. So first thing you need is Spotify. So you need the app here with your song ready. And now open up Discord and then click on settings. And then over here on the left sidebar, click on connections and then click on Spotify. And then it's going to now tell you to connect Discord to Spotify. Just click agree, and that's it. So you can close this now, or just go back to Discord, and then it will show right here. And then to display it on the profile, just enable this, and now you can now go ahead and play your song, and it will show on your profile. So that's about it for this video. If it doesn't show, then make sure you scroll down and go to registered games and then click on edit, and then make sure that Spotify is added here. So select Spotify, add game, and as you can see, it's now showing. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.